Jingle bells ring.
Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Tonight we just decided to go pretty much just outside our door up to Dao access road that comes in from the highway and watch some of the Christmas lights that are out there. It's kind of a fun thing to see, and there's several of them here around the bus station and out towards the highway. It's pretty amazing how they do these things. Keep in mind that every single one of these things are actually handmade. Here we have got one that looks like the Eiffel Tower, I guess.
Yeah. It's nice to see them.
What?
It's nice to see the Christmas light, even it's not Christmas yet.
Yeah. Well, they start pretty early here in the Philippines. I don't know, but I think I started seeing this before I left in June.
Yeah, they're still there for 1 year.
Yeah. All right, so the streets are pretty busy tonight. Actually, they've been busier and busier. Here you can see some gasoline prices too.
That one's nice.
Yeah, they're all nice here.
Yeah, but the price is when December, the price of the Christmas light are much
Right.
more expensive.
Yeah.
But if you buy early, the price is cheaper.
Yeah, okay, here we are a little further down the road. There is like 5, 6, 7 of these places. There is another one right across the street.
Yeah, only in Mabalacat you can see those Christmas light. I don't know in Angeles.
I haven't seen it up there, but on the other hand, we're not up that much
Yeah,
at nighttime up there in Angeles.
yeah.
And down there at the end, you have another little Eiffel Tower. They make them look pretty neat, actually.
Yeah, it feels like it's Christmas now.
Yeah. By the time it's Christmas, you want it to be over.
Yeah.
These figurines are looking pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
Flowers, blinking lights.
Yeah, they made by their hands, right?
Huh?
They made the what is it? Christmas light by their hands.
Yeah. Oh, they're all handmade. Everybody is like sitting there doing them, and the wires are tied to steel frame, and they use tie wraps to put all the light strings on, and it's pretty cool how they make them.
Yeah, it's last for how many years? Remember we buy one of those Christmas light and
Yeah.
it lasts for how many years? 3 years or
It lasted, ours
4 years?
lasted for 2-3 years,
Yeah.
I think. The one we bought was probably 24 inches in diameter, and I think
Yeah.
we paid what,
2000?
2,000, 3,000 pesos,
It's a big,
somewhere
it's
between.
a big Christmas light. It's not small one.
Right,
It's a big
somewhere between there. Okay, we're jumping on the bike here, and we're just giving you a show down the road for a minute and show you how many of them there really are. We can't really walk the whole area.
Yeah, it's traffic.
So you get a little motor vlog. And that's it. Thank you for watching. God bless. Share, like,
and subscribe.
hit the bell.
Yeah, that's it.
Bye-bye.